What is freedom? It is the true longing of life and the starting point of all happiness. When the body yearns to break free from constraints, and when the journey looks forward to bidding farewell to obstacles, there is always a beam of light, carrying unwavering force, coming to free your life. JBH initiates from a dream of innovation and fraternity. All the way focuses and specializes in offering intelligent and portable electric wheelchair, mobility scooter, sport wheelchair, and various mobility assistive devices. Over a decade of forward exploration, JBH has grown to be the largest scale manufacturer and turned out to be leading brand of high-end intelligent electric wheelchair and mobility scooter globally. The company covers an area of 160,000 square meters with a factory building area of 80,000 square meters and an annual production capacity of over 50,000 electric wheelchairs. With senior R&D team and abundant R&D investment as the cornerstone, JBH has established 3 major R&D centers in Beijing, Nanjing, and Mengguang City. JBH has deeply rooted the innovation gene and continuously break through the boundaries of technology and has gathered elite R&D talent in multiple fields such as mechanical structure, integrated circuits, and software development. Key core technology advantages in the fields of batteries, motors, and electronic controls reach 217 patents and 31 invention patents. JBH strength continues to rise and move towards the vision of global leadership. From design and development perfect service to production and global marketing, JBH carefully strive for carving every product. This is the persistence of the original intention and the proof of strength. At JBH, we prioritize customer needs above all. Relying on the close collaboration of 12 production workshops, we have built an integrated manufacturing capacity covering the entire industrial chain. The machining workshop is equipped with a large number of advanced CNC machine tools and precision equipment, which can carry out processes such as stamping, drilling, pipe bending, plate cutting, and pipe cutting. The mold workshop is equipped with multiple advanced precision equipment and has the manufacturing capacity for various types of molds such as carbon fiber molds and stamping molds. The carbon fiber workshop is equipped with complete manufacturing capabilities for carbon frame, including yarn cutting, material winding, molding, and grinding. The welding workshop is equipped with a large number of industrial automatic welding robots, which can achieve high precision and high efficiency welding operations. The heat treatment workshop is equipped with T4 and T6 heat treatment furnaces to conduct precise heat treatment on products and enhance their performance. The injection molding workshop is equipped with multiple injection molding machines, which can achieve high precision and high efficiency injection molding operations. The sewing workshop is responsible for the production of products such as cushions, seat cushions, and storage bags. The spray painting workshop is equipped with 3 fully automatic spray painting production lines, providing spray painting services for water labels and external labels of products. The motor workshop is equipped with advanced production equipment, which can mass-produce brushless motors for various types of electric wheelchairs. The battery workshop is equipped with advanced automatic production lines and lithium battery charging, discharging, and aging cabinets, which enhance the quality of lithium batteries. The controller workshop is equipped with advanced production and testing equipment, which can mass-produce controllers for various types of electric wheelchairs and mobility scooters. We provide OEM project and private customization service solutions for global customers. We hope to satisfy every demand of customers efficiently. With own in-factory SGS laboratory to build a solid defense for product quality. The company has passed ISO 9001, ISO 13485 system certification, US FDA and EU CE certification. We actively deploy cutting-edge fields. The industry's first platform plus operation plus service plus device 4-in-1 construction plan to create a digital, intelligent and open service ecosystem, always exceeding customer expectations, is the unchanging belief of every JBH crew. And it is this belief that drives us to move forward. In JBH, every negotiation is full of hope and every cooperation creates extraordinary results. Today, JBH products, like bright pearls, are accompanied by the JBH service system. In more than 100 countries around the world, it has been put into practice and presented to perfection. Wherever we go, we integrate convenience into life. Use quality and service to protect the freedom of every traveler. We always hold ideals and eager to be the first. We strive to continuously create higher value for customers, employees, partners, and society. Life should be free. We firmly believe that every ordinary protection is the light shining into life. Every persistence in quality deserves to be echoed by the times. JBH is willing to turn into a ray of warm sunshine to illuminate every dream of travel. The oath that every country, every city, and every family in the world will be healthier and happier because JBH is always stirring in our hearts. This is JBH. Breaking boundaries with technology, breaking obstacles with fearlessness, and connecting a better future with exploration.